How do hackers actually crack passwords? Is it really just random typing like in the movies? Today, I'm going to show you two real techniques used in password cracking: the dictionary attack and the brute force attack. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only. I am demonstrating this on my own password-protected file inside a controlled lab environment using Kali Linux. Never attempt this on systems you don't own or don't have permission to test. Now let's get started. The demo PDF you see on the desktop is password protected. Let's see how attackers try to discover the password. First, we open the terminal and type pdf to John demo.pdf greater than hash.txt. What this command does is use pdf to John to extract the password hash stored inside the PDF file. It then saves that hash into a file called hash.txt. We are not cracking the PDF directly. We are cracking the hash of the password. Now we need a dictionary for passwords. In Kali Linux, there is a default word list called rockyou, which contains around 14 million real-world passwords. These are passwords leaked from past data breaches, and many people still use them. The file is compressed by default, so we navigate to /usr/share/wordlists, and then unzip it using sudo gunzip rockyou.txt.gz. If we open the file, we can see millions of common passwords. Attackers use lists like this because many users choose weak and predictable passwords. Now let's use John the Ripper to crack the password using this word list. We type johnhash.txt /wordlist equals /usr/share/wordlists/rockyou.txt. When we press enter, John starts comparing each password in the word list against the extracted hash. If it finds a match, that means the password has been cracked. Once it finishes, we type johnhash.txt /show. And here we can see the cracked password displayed on the screen. Now let's verify it. We open the PDF file and enter the cracked password. As you can see, the PDF opens successfully. That is a dictionary attack using a large list of common passwords to find a match quickly. Now let's try the brute force method. So what is a brute force attack? A brute force attack tries every possible combination of characters until it finds the correct password. Depending on the length and complexity of the password, this can take seconds, years, or even billions of years. For this demonstration, we will limit the character set and the length to keep it practical. We type johnhash.txt --increment equals lower num -min -length equals 5 max -length equals 6. Increment equals lower num tells John to try lowercase letters from A to Z and numbers from 0 to 9. Minimum length equals 5 means the shortest password it will try is 5 characters. Maximum length equals 6 means the longest password it will try is 6 characters. When we press enter, John begins generating every possible combination within those rules until it finds the correct match. And after some time, the password is cracked. This is how two common password cracking techniques work: dictionary attacks, which are fast but depend on common passwords, and brute force attacks, which try every possible combination and will eventually succeed if given enough time and computing power. The real lesson here is simple. If your password is short, simple, or common, it can be cracked very quickly. To protect yourself, use long passwords, at least 12 to 16 characters. Mix uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words. Use a password manager to generate strong passwords, and always enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment below if you want to see more cybersecurity demonstrations like this. And remember, your password is your first line of defense. Make it strong.